How to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. So if you want to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account, then you need to open up your YouTube at first. After opening your YouTube, go with the upper right, which has that profile, and then go with YouTube Studio. After that, go with settings, which is here on the bottom left. Under settings, you need to go with permissions, and under permissions here you will have the owner. So if you want to transfer this YouTube channel to another account or another person, then you can go with invite, which is on the top right, and here you need to enter the email address of that person. So enter the Google account, the other Google account to whom you would like to transfer your YouTube channel. After that, go with the access. You can go with manager, editor, or subtitle editor, viewer, any option that you're comfortable with. I'll go with manager and then go with done. And the invitation has been sent. Now, if the other person accepts the invitation, then that Google account will be added. That's how you can transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.